Case study 4, we're doing on one-way ANOVA. Question number 15.66 asks three different brands of automobile batteries, each one having a 42-month warranty, were included in the study of battery lifetime. A random sample of batteries of each brand was selected and lifetime in months was determined, resulting in the following data. We have brand 1, brand 2, and brand 3. Each set of data corresponds to how many months from each brand. The significance level is 0.05. My null hypothesis is going to be that all my means of each brand are going to be equal to each other, and it will be rejected if there's some difference in them. Okay, we're going to start this out by doing degrees of freedom between. That's going to be k minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, which is the brands. That's equals 2. Within the brands, we have 18 is n equals 21 minus k equals 3, so 21 minus 3 equals 18. Total degrees of freedom, you just add those up, get 20. And we're going to go over to the F table for degrees of freedom, 2 for the numerator, 18 for the denominator, and look, that goes into view. It didn't get into view. It is 3.55. We're going to go ahead and calculate the means. All I'm doing is adding all of these up and dividing by 7 because there's 7 in each brand. 7 batteries, excuse me, in each brand. And so for brand 1, I get 44.5714. Brand 2, I get 45.8571. Brand 3, I get 48 even. And then for my total, I'm going to add up all of these and divide that by n, which is 21, so that's 961 divided by 21, 46.1429 is my total mean of the sum of squares. For my sum of squares total, I'm going to take my total mean, which is 46.1429, and I'm going to subtract that, or I'm going to put that right in there. My other x's are going to be these numbers, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to do 45 minus 46.1429 squared plus, and then I go to the next one, 38, all the way down until I'm finished. I got that to be 458.5714. From my sum of squares within, I will basically do for each and every single mean, which we have up here for brand 1, brand 2, brand 3, and we're going to plug those in, and then for each x's, for each value of the month. So we get 45, 36, 52. So we go all the way down there. Those correspond to the 44.571. The second corresponds to the 45.8571. And my last one is going to go ahead and correspond to 48 even. So that will give me my SSE of 416.5714. From there, I could find my sum of squares between, and I just subtract the total from within, and that gives me 42 even. And then from there, I'm going to do my mean squared between, which is I'm just plugging in values. So my SSB, which is this value 42, over the degrees of freedom between, which was 2, So 42 divided by 2, 21. And then my mean squared within. My degrees of freedom is going to be 18. And the within down here is 416.5714. I plug those in, get 23.1429. My F value here, I'm just plugging in my numerator, my denominator. I get my F value that is not greater than my critical value, which I found on the F table. And so I fail to reject null hypothesis, and my ANOVA table for that is right here. And again, Donald Mestas, and thank you very much.